For my second game of 2024, I decided to create a basic puzzle game and I'm very happy with the end result. Except for one important detail, but I will come back to this. I guess that everyone has already encountered what you are seeing here in one way or another. But just as a quick reminder, a player has to move jumbled up puzzle pieces around a board where movement is heavily restricted with the end goal of restoring the original picture. So what did I learn while doing this project? Well, quickly after starting, I was able to cut digital images to puzzle pieces and to move these tiles around. So all that was missing for the game loop was a randomization algorithm in order to have something that players could actually solve. Easy, right? Let's just take two random puzzle pieces and swap positions. Spoiler alert, it is not that simple. As usual, I had to learn it the hard way, by blindly implementing an algorithm and then trying to solve an unsolvable puzzle by myself. And it was only while trying to do the impossible that I wondered about how these puzzles work on a deeper level. So it turns out that half of the possible starting positions of a so-called 8 puzzle are impossible to resolve. On a mathematical level, it has to do with permutation properties and a parity invariant. Once I had figured this out, I wondered how I could avoid creating invalid puzzles. And once again, this seems to be a tricky problem too. There are some formulas to make sure that randomly generated puzzles can be solved, but they don't seem to apply to all grid sizes, at least from what I understand. So the alternative solution was to work my way backwards. In other words, to start with a completed puzzle on which I slide pieces around randomly until everything is jumbled up sufficiently. You might remember that I said earlier that there is something that is bugging me. Well, there are probably plenty of elegant and efficient solutions to implement the working backwards strategy that I just described. Unfortunately, the caveman programmer inside of me decided that it would be funnier to write some initialization code with a long-running loop that is just randomly clicking around the playing field to then occasionally trigger slides if a puzzle piece happens to be next to an empty space. And thanks to our blazing fast CPUs nowadays, nobody can see my coding crime that I have committed. Am I proud of this? No. Does it work? Yes. Anyway, thank you for listening.